my channel, and today we're gonna talk about that how we can spend the time in this quarantine or lockdown on Instagram. Yeah, on Instagram. Instagram is that platform where you can showcase your talent without having subscribers and the problem that you have to promote your channel, this and that. Yes. In this video, we're gonna talk about few things which you can do in this lockdown to increase your followers, plus to boost up your Instagram. And one more important thing is that spending your time and utilizing your time. So let's get started, and I will give you one important tip in the end of the video, so please watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out that particular tip. So starting up here with this video, in this video I will tell you the first thing which you can do in this quarantine or lockdown is that you can watch the people doing yoga and exercises at home. There are so many tutorials available on different sites where you can go and watch and learn. And after learning, you can just do or give the tutorials on your Instagram. Yes, on your Instagram. Second thing which you can do this, you can learn meditations. There are different types of meditation available on Instagram, on YouTube. You can just go and click, just watch the videos, learn the meditations, click the photographs, post on Insta, put the hashtag and increase your followers and Insta like. Do the things which makes you comfortable, and you can do this, and this will show an effective growth in your Instagram. Second thing is, most of us loves to do art, creativity and several things. Then why to hide this talent and keep it with you? Just draw, sketch, do whatever you wish likes to and post it on Insta. Then you can see the huge growth in your account. One thing you can do is just draw, click and post, and tag to the people, those who do this type of creativity. Follow these type of accounts, then you will see that not those big accounts will come and follow you, the small accounts will come and follow you, those who do the creativity like as you do the creativity. The small connection will be meant, and these connections will help you to grow, really will help you to grow. Third thing which you can do on your Instagram is that most of the people nowadays just go in the explore option and just see there are a lot of shairis, poetries, everything available which may be linked to your life, which might be linked to the situation you are going through, which might be motivational, which might be for the success, and all these things grabs the attentions of the viewers. One more important thing, while you post your shairi, just look for the background. Just in the background put something which is so attractive, so that what the shairi is written on the down or up, wherever you wish likes to write it, so that people may get and feel connected to it ki yeah, kuch to dum hai. Very effective. There are a lot of motivational quotes which are written on some beautiful pictures which just attracts the viewers. One more important thing, nowadays it is a trend that people write the shairi and on the top of it just add the photographs of the actors or the situations of the movies which may just relate to that, and that really helps to catch the attentions of the viewers. By this way you can do two things at a time. First कि आपकी पोइट्री, शायरी लिखने की इच्छा पूरी हो जाएगी, और दूसरी लोगों की अटेंशन आपको मिलेगी. You will see a appraisal in your account. And one more thing, हम सबको रिवॉर्ड्स पसंद है. हमारी चीज़ों को अप्रेज करे या उसकी प्रेजिंग्स करे हमें बहुत पसंद आता है. तो हम ये सब चीज़ें कर सकते हैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पे, और इन सब चीज़ों को करने के बाद यू विल रियली फील कि आपका टाइम स्पेंड हो रहा है. और तीसरी बात कि आपकी जो चीज़ें होती जा रही हैं, आपके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ रहे हैं और अकाउंट्स आके आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें आपके साथ होंगी, एंड यू विल रियली फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग. इन दिस लॉकडाउन यू कैन डू दिस. एंड हाँ, जो इम्पोर्टेंट टिप की मैंने बात की थी वो ये है कि आप जब अपने अकाउंट को देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होता है पर्सनल अकाउंट का या प्रोफेशनल का. जब आप उसको प्रोफेशनल पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वहाँ बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आते हैं कि ब्लॉगर, फैशन, मॉडल, दिस। तो आप जिस भी एक्टिविटीज से रिलेट करते हैं उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और नीचे एक ऑप्शन शो होगा अनेबल का, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए, वो आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आ जाएगा। उससे क्या होगा, आपकी स्टोरीज ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खुद प्रमोट होंगी और आपके लोग आपकी साइट को या आपके इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट को विजिट करेंगे। और वन मोर टिप विच आई वांट्स टू गिव यू कि आप अपनी पोस्ट डालने का एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम रखो कि इस टाइम पे हम ये पोस्ट डालेंगे, इस दिन हम ये पोस्ट डालेंगे। स्टोरी में लोगों को एंगेज करो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पोस्ट डालो, क्वेश्चंस पूछो, इंटरेक्ट करो, जिससे कि पीपल आपकी स्टोरीज के थ्रू आपकी प्रोफाइल को देखे और उसे प्रेज करें। थैंक यू सो मच। इफ़ यू रियली फाइंड इट वर्दी और इससे आपको हेल्प नहीं तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।